Hey everybody. Oh wait. Hey everybody. I am Rage Bunnyz, and next we are playing Lollipop Chainsaw for the second time. I'm not trying to speed through this or nothing. I'm just trying to get two videos out there so I can view them real quick, because the stranger, I didn't know this would happen, but if you cut the game off and if you say start from checkpoint, you'll have to do that same part over again. So I'm just gonna play this straight through and see how it goes. So that's what I have to do. I have to play straight through before I could record this. So. And trust me, y'all don't want to see that again. I don't have really nothing there. Let's get some skills. Do I have some skills for nothing? I got everything from there. I seriously have nothing until I collect so much coins that it's totally bogus. Might as well go help the dude. Why is the camera... See, I don't like the camera angles on this game. They're just, weird. Sometimes you can turn the camera and sometimes it won't let you turn by itself. But it's just weird. Alright, SOS crap. Oh crap! I didn't see those two. Well, how didn't I see them? They were back there. And start here. Alright. Now give me some money. Yeah, whatever. Is that a giant star? Jesus. You get off me, you zombie jerks. There we go. Oh, thanks, officer.
Thanks a lot. What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop.
Oh, wait, oh!
That zombie with his gun? No fair.
Man, these zombie rules are getting out of here. Why would a zombie have a gun, first of all? And how do zombies know how to use guns? That's obstructing the rule of zombie facts a lot. But who cares? It's a video game. Anyone gives them really doesn't care, so. Whatever makes the video game happy. Oh. I was about to say, give me some money, but never mind.
Your bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode.
Really?
Run!
Or just kill him. Like that. Alright, let's go. Oh god.
Oh my god!
What the heck is this?
I'll turn up the volume in a second, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what the game's mostly about. Killing zombies. And I'll get more into the depth of what the main mission is throughout the game. But it won't happen until I complete this high school level. And I have to say the high school level is pretty annoying. You'll see why. It's at the mid-end of the high school level. It's just so annoying. Alright, come down, girl. Oh, she's crying.
Those zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
What? And boom.
Oh, watch out!
Now, if you didn't save the girl, the zombie will pull her in, and it will just do the same thing, blow up. So, different, I guess, death sequences for the most part. Another game I'm trying to get is Deadpool the game. Now, I saw that game, and that game is, like, funny and amazing to me. But some people don't really like it because of the cartoon aspect, or there's not, or they expected too much
Yeah,
from
but
it.
it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday.
So, yeah. That's all I can say. Expected too much from it. So.
I'll be back for you!
What?
Uncool, asshole!
Ah, jeez, now this is the part I hate. Well, zombies naturally have feelings now. Alright, let's do it. Oh yeah. Just slashing up zombies. Now, for the real aspect of life.
I love you, baby.
I never tried this one.
I adore you. Nick shoots.
Nick shoots. Oh. Okay.
Man, oh man.
Cool.
Nice, I guess. I don't know what else to say. Alright, come on. Let's give me some money. Give me the monies.
I got video. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube.
Hey, I'm posting it on YouTube right now. Jerk.
Professor Campbell is so hot.
I guess. What do you gotta say? Hey, that's the same guy that left us behind. He deserved to
He
die.
stranded us.
Alright, move.
Yeah, he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick.
Or we could.
Kind of failed at me. Oh gosh! No! Get away from me! Get away! Get away from me! See, I didn't see that girl zombie over there.
Juliet, I'm so totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
Yeah, anyway. So, let's just cut down these. Yeah, search warrant. This is called Lollipop Chainsaw, and we only have a cheerleader for a reason. You ready for this, guys? I'm ready.
So what are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Watch me, Nick.
And here we go. Go, go, go. Who's the best? Raise Bunnyz. Let's spell it out.
Not even.
R A G E B N N Y Z.
If it bleeds, I can kill it.
Oh yeah, awesome! I didn't know I could. I didn't
Where are we
know.
going?
I need to find Morikawa Sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa Sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
Osekoi, watashimo, Niko hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, like I said, before they talked, I was about to say I did not know I could spell my whole YouTube name out like that before it ended. I didn't know because I never tried it before, so that's why I was like really happy and really excited. But it probably doesn't matter to you, so. Alright. Let's see what's up in here. Got some Irish music going.
There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam.
That's not nice.
What? Game's already started.
Zombie
I love this song.
Time you're killing them zombies. How many
It's like a
points did you
mascot.
rack up? It seems like a one-sided game.
Right.
What do we have here this time? Basketball? Why basketball? Just don't throw my head into the hoop.
Time to get to work.
Oh yeah, I forgot they were blockers.
3 points.
Oh wait, got 3 points.
Nice shot.
There's like an achievement where you have to get 3 points all the time. But you know, I just feel like just demolishing. Oh, I feel like demolishing some zombies.
3 points.
And you missed, you idiot.
Nice shot.
And they died.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
This is the kind of song when you want to kill a lot of things. The blocker zombies are really, really annoying. Also, the cheerleader zombies are annoying because they also stand on their
3
hands,
points.
which is kind of impressive, but simply stupid. And they died. I forgot about that. But right now, I'm just trying to get 101. Just die. Zombies know how to dodge these days. How can that be?
Wow, what a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Thanks.
Where's that voice coming from?
Yeah, and just to say, we will never know when that voice is coming from, because they don't really say where it's coming from. You could probably look it up on Wiki. Or Wiki, or whatever you want to call it.
We need to get out of here.
And it's simply not that hard to escape. So. Emergency, I guess.
Time to shop.
Pop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, lolly, lolly. Oh.
Click, click.
Boom, boom. For the cat. Just saying, I might not really use all these combos anyway. That's why I'm not really trying to buy any. But whatever. You know. Some things at some random moments at some time. I know I would get one if I hacked away enough. Hacking away. Stupid zombies. Anyway, I would like to ask a question. What would you do in a zombie apocalypse? Would you be like Juliet and get a chainsaw and start slashing? Or would you be your own guy and survive like they do in The Walking Dead? Just saying, what would you do in a zombie apocalypse? That's all I'm saying. What would you do? Would you give up, try to survive, or just hold out as long as you can until they find a cure? Just saying. I would like to ask that. Put that in the comments. What would you do in a zombie apocalypse?
Kill him before he blows up.
I don't know if that's an objective or if that's a...
Yeah, I had biology in here. I dissected a frog. That's gross.
Like, cutting all zombie heads, and that was not gross enough. Not for Juliet. Dead frog.
Dudes ever stop coming?
Killed another teacher. Slaughtering teacher right and left. Give me that lollipop.
Best calories.
Yes, wrong!
Oh, die. So it's saying if you like the game so far, just I might be posting more until I get like more likes or more views at least.
You guys have no respect for the bad. I'm gonna F you up.
Oh God, okay. Jeez, I forgot how. Okay. Let me just take it. Yeah, I forgot how much.
You more than carrot top.
And I wasted it, so. Hey.
I'm drooling.
Stop it. It's really annoying when they keep You know what I do? Just let them go wild. Just like that. Just get rid of a user. But if you want the silver coin, you can try and kill it.
Opening and closing the door, dude.
I guess everyone likes to say dude in this game. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was about to say that too. Like you can battle the guitar guys with your chainsaw. Like a chainsaw battle in Gears of War.
Again with the door. It's irritating.
And destroy.
Done and done.
Wash your hands!
On to the next one. I don't know if I'm gonna end the video when I'm done this part, but that's a choice I have to make. And I'm posting more videos in the meantime if y'all want to check that out.
Time to shop.
Let's see what's in our plans. No, it really doesn't have to do anything with the game, but Nick, got from here. Okay, this is spoilers. Never mind. Sorry.
Oh? Killing zombies gives me total wood.
That's a weird thing to say.
That is a weird thing to say, Nick, and an awkward thing to say at that.
Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please. Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Oh.
Correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you. The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each, using a combination combination of black magic and explosive. Someone cracked the wall between Earth and Rotten World, and the gases of Rotten World seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and Rotten World, which would be catastrophic. Fortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Look, some Dragon Ball Z teleporting. That's what I hate about it. I don't like this level. For certain reasons.
Check it. 1, 2, 3.
This level.
It's party time, motherfuckers!
No, stop it. I don't even know how I activate that.
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Alright, so this is basically self-explanatory.
Do not let the fire zombie touch the dynamite.
Like, yeah, like that. You can't let them touch it, or they will blow up the whole thing. I'm just gonna repeat this.
You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
But sometimes it can come out more than once rapidly, and that's when you get confused because the same one keeps coming out the same hole.
Oh man, this majorly sucks.
And at some point they run too. Like that. At some point they will run and they will mess everything up. Which will make me mad. And they really suck, so
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake.
what do you think I'm trying to do now? What, you think I want to explode? Back off! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Do not let the fire zombies touch.
Shut up, Nick! Are you fighting the zombie? No! You will have no permission to speak. Oh crap! And explosions!
Genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy. He went to school with us.
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh, man. There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Yeah, you can't really say nothing
Malicious
there.
lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear now! Bingam, Kelly, Swash, Glengori, Yellum, Sabal, Kelly, Moriform, Sotunka, Bingam, Kelly, Swash. No!
Again, same thing.
Sensei! This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way. I did it. All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa? What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence.
Let's play.
So he said that and we went flying with words.
Oh, hell.
Rock zombie dead! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze! Yeah!
Well, action speak.
What happened here?
Action speak louder than words. I always say. Words.
I'm gonna rock your brains out!
What's that?
Literally!
In this case, words.
No one told me we're gonna have to deal with giant letters.
Better than actions.
My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero.
Oh, love that song, Teenager. You heard that?
It's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy. What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you. A lot.
So they really made.
Shit! Look out!
So they really made a reference to Chemical Romance and actually named one of their songs called Teenager.
I'll restring my guitar with your intestines!
Which I didn't hear before.
His voice is mega irritating.
I did not know they made a reference to Chemical Romance in this game.
How do you like the spotlight, Flag?
Search warrant.
Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag!
I think you don't really need to. Oh snap! I really don't think you need to kill the zombies.
Oh my god. Total waste of a Volvo.
It would be like I said, it would be a good thing to just get remaining coins on the way. was it. That was the new upgrade. Power up or something. I just need to figure out how do I... Ah, there we go. It's like the directional button and press A. Oh, you thought you'd get me? Thought you'd get me? Oh. Quick time events are usually...
What a douchebag! Quit destroying shit for no reason!
Usually the quick time action plays are the same thing over and over.
On my way.
So that's usually.
Time to get hardcore, you zombie hunting slut!
Oh wait, whoa! Oh wow. Wait, hold on. I did something. It's like some it's like some weird... It was like some weird Kung Fu style thing. I did not see that before. Yeah, sorry. I'm not crazy. No, whatever. The good thing is, if you die, you can do it all over again.
Probably took him 3 hours to spike his molten drooling.
Alright, here we go. Where is he? Hello?
I'm gonna crush you!
Oh god! Rocked
I'm
out!
loving this shit! I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah!
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
Guess they broke the fourth wall with that.
Be careful, Juliet.
Oh, keep an eye on
Take this, whore!
it. No, you take it.
He's my arm!
Oh, you can't recover. You have to buy recovery. Come on, just... Come on! Oh, jeez. Someone's calling me. Where is it?
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, this one.
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little.
And here we go. Alright. Hold on. Sorry. It was nobody, actually. I don't even know this guy. Let's go. Okay, now, this one,
Dude, get real.
basically, it's not really that simple. It's not that hard either. You just need to try and destroy it. And try... Like he will bring more back. But basically, I don't really need to do a boss tutorial unless... crap.
Destroy the speakers.
Oh, destroy speakers, huh? Well, you know, that really doesn't hurt him as much, Nick. Alright, so you gotta destroy the speakers and not let him summon anymore.
Destroy the speakers!
There you go. You're not supposed to let him say anything to unleash the speakers back. And this one!
Bring it on!
Julia, let's fuck up that speaker.
Epic backflip.
Join me on stage for a death jam!
Yeah, so they basically, I guess, break the fourth wall a little bit, like Cool does in most of the games that he's in or television. He basically breaks the fourth wall.
Almost there.
Ooh, that one actually hurt a little bit.
Oh, snap.
Die! London is calling, and they say you are a whore!
Oh, snap. Yeah, you hurt yourself, you idiot.
He's trying to kill us?
Oh, no, Nick, he's just trying to give us another lollipop. Of course he's trying to kill us. What other zombie wouldn't trying to kill us?
Giant letter bullshit.
You just need to keep on dying until you kill. And that is your pro tip for today. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. And hey, okay, you're supposed to get an achievement for that, but that's it. I already got it, so it doesn't matter.
Juliet, you did it.
Mr. Morkawa.
How did he get all the way over here?
You managed to purify one of the dark purveyors.
Yes.
Look at this. Zed was only the weakest of the dark purveyors. But the other four are here, rotting the school. By now, they've probably transformed all your fellow students into undead. The school is probably filled with zombies.
Sensei!
Mr. Morkawa.
Juliet and Nick, I have faith. You can stop them. All humans must die, as I must now too.
Sensei, no! Don't leave!
Oh, I have this for you, Juliet. Happy birthday, Juliet. You were always my favorite people.
Sensei!
That was kind of funny. I like how they did that. Like, oh yeah, I forgot to give you a present. Okay, I'll buy it now. What the heck? What do you think this is, Catherine? This ain't Catherine, if you're trying to say that.
Now that's a sweet ride.
Well,
so much for watching. This is Rage Bunnyz. Hold on. Like, favorite, comment, subscribe, share. And if you like this video, you know, join the Zeleakens army. To subscribe right up at the top. Right? And I will see you next time when I battle the Zeleakens in the stadium. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am Rage Bunnyz. See you next time. Peace up. Rage Bunnyz out.